Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to install the GUI Wallet Easycash alpha version. This video is for those who are on Windows and Linux. Just for information, all the necessary links are in the description. So now let's go first with Windows. So first go to the download page. The link is in the description. Scroll to the Windows install instruction. I recommend you to download first the GUI wallet for Windows. Then you can go read the Windows instruction. Download the wallet file. Unzip and extract the wallet in C directory. Exclude the folder of the antivirus analysis. Open the Easycash desktop wallet file with admin rights. Then download the CLI wallet executable from GitHub. We will start to download it now. Scroll to the bottom of the page and install Windows version. Let's continue to read the instruction. Extract it wherever, then open the folder and copy the Easycash ERCP wallet, paste the executable in the Easycash official folder. Then restore the Easycash desktop wallet file with admin rights. So now copy or cut your two zip files that you downloaded. You have to paste them in this PC, C directory, users, your name of user, and paste them. When it's done, I recommend you to use WinRAR to unzip the two files. Right click and unzip them here. Go in Easycash desktop wallet folder and execute Easycash desktop wallet with admin right. And then close it. Now if you go in your user directory, you can see that there is a new folder, Easycash official. Then go to the CLI wallet folder, here it's bin, and copy Easycash wallet ERCP. Go to the user directory, your name, and go to Easycash official folder and paste Easycash wallet ERCP. Go to your user directory in the folder Easycash desktop wallet and execute Easycash desktop wallet with admin rights. In the app, go to Setting, Connection, and change your remote node to, for example, one of the Europe's one, and refresh. And finally, you can go to Wallet or create a new wallet or import one. Normally, the synchronization time takes like 2 hours, moreover. And then it's done. Enjoy it! Now I'm going to explain for Linux Ubuntu's based distribution. First download the Linux wallet from GitHub. Scroll until you see the Linux instruction. Before reading the instruction, download the zip folder for Linux. Now let's go read the instruction. Download the zip folder, we did it, and zip and extract the wallet folder in home directory. Open the Easycash desktop wallet with sudo rights. Download the CLI wallet executable from GitHub. Do it now. After, restart the Easycash desktop wallet with sudo rights. Now you can start testing the wallet. Now the two zip folders are in the home directory. Unzip them. Now you have two folders. One is Alpha Easycash GUI Wallet Linux and the other one Easycash CLI Linux 2.0.1. Go in the GUI one. Copy the integral folder. Go again to home directory and paste the folder in home directory. If you want, you can delete the old folder. Go in the new folder and open this folder in the terminal. To open the folder, do /Easycash desktop wallet. I open it without sudo rights because it works for me. In the wallet, go to Setting, Connection, and change your remote node to an Europe one and refresh. Now close the application and go to home directory. Go to Easycash CLI Linux folder. Copy Easycash wallet ERCP in Easycash official folder in home directory. Go again to GUI wallets folder and run Easycash desktop wallet again in the terminal. Now just for check that everything is okay, we go to setting connection and check that all the remote nodes are okay. And then you can create a wallet or an important. The synchronization time takes like 2 hours or 2 hours and a half. When it's finished, you can click in your wallet name and print your password, and you can enter in your wallet. You can see all the transactions and others. I remember you that all the links are in the description with the instruction. I hope this video helped you. If you want to support me, you can vote for Alpha Validator. See you next time!